What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the 3-in-1 leather care by Mafra. This product is a cleaning, protection and a hydrating agent for your leather. It will prevent the cracking and prevent the aging and keeps its pristine finish alive. How to use this product? Very simple. Spray product onto the treated area, wipe off with a microfiber towel. If you want to increase the cleaning power, you can also use something in the range of a brush or a scrub pad. That's it. Let's see how it works.